One of the best bites in barbecue. They're like little squishy pillows of meat. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make pork belly burnt ends. All right, so for this cook, we're going to be using our Oklahoma Joe's Bronco drum. We're going to start by opening it up and taking our cooking grate off, and then I'm going to remove the heat deflector. And as you can see, we've got briquettes left over from a previous cook. There's a bunch of unburnt and partially unburnt ones we can use for this cook. So what I'm going to do is bang our charcoal basket out and any ash will fall down below. Then we can top up with some fresh briquettes. And you could do the same thing if you were using lumped charcoal, but for now, we're going to get a fire lighter in there and light it up. And now while our briquettes are catching light, we'll prepare our pork belly. All right, now here's our pork belly. We've got a nice little 1.2 kilo pork belly. It's nice and thick. That's one thing I definitely like to look for when I'm doing pork belly burnt ends, is a nice thick pork belly. And all we're going to do is just take this skin off. All right, so the skin's off. If you want to do something with it, go ahead. But for this cook, we're going to be focusing just on these pork belly burnt ends. So now our skin's off, we're just going to tidy up the bottom. This one really doesn't need much at all. Just a little bit of silver skin we're going to trim off on the bottom edge here. Maybe a little bit of excess fat here as well. But apart from that, this is good to go. So now I'm going to cut these into chunks. I like to go nice big chunks of pork belly, so I'm just going to cut it in half lengthways. And then we're just going to go half that way, in half again. And then we've got some beautiful big chunks, but honestly, you can go half that size if you want. But like I said, got some nice big chunks here. Now we just got to season them up. So we're just going to get some mustard on there, and that's going to help our rubs stick to the meat. All right, then we're going to lay down some sweet and savory flavors. So I'm going to go down with a base coat of my honey soy slammer, and then we'll top it off with my steak shooter spicy. Just try and mop up any of that rub we've got on the cutting board. And now we'll top them off with my steak shooter spicy, which will give them a really nice color as well. All right, now these are ready to go once our smoke is ready. All right, now our briquettes have caught light. We can shut our lid, open up both of our vents, and let our barbecue preheat to just below our target temperature, which for this cook is going to be 275 Fahrenheit or 135 Celsius. All right, now we're up to temperature. We can get some smoking wood on. I've gone with a beautiful little chunk of nectarine, but honestly, any fruit woods will go with pork. So I'll get that straight on the fire, then I'll get the heat deflector back in, and the cooking grate, and then our beautiful pork belly. Then we'll shut our lid and let them start smoking away. All right, so while we've had our lid open, getting that pork belly on, our temperature has obviously dropped. So what I'm going to do, I'll wait for our temperature to recover to just below our target temperature, which is that 275 Fahrenheit or 135 Celsius range. And then it's pretty easy from there. All I need to do is adjust temperature using my intake vent. So once I'm almost back up to temperature, I'm just going to shut that intake vent down to almost closed. I'll give the smoker 10 minutes to see where it stabilizes off at, and then I'll make adjustments from there. If I need to increase temperature, I'll just open that vent up a bit. If I need to decrease temperature a bit more, I'll just shut it down a little bit. In a drum smoker, it's super easy, and that's why the drum smoker is my favorite. But for now, we're gonna let this pork belly smoke away for around 1.5 to 2 hours. So we'll check back in once we're a bit further into this cook. All right, so we're around 1 hour and 45 minutes into this cook. These are looking absolutely incredible. Got some beautiful color to them. That rub's set nicely. So what we're going to do now is just get them into a foil tray. Then we're going to get some liquid in the tray. Honestly, any fruity sort of liquid's going to do. So apple juice, pineapple juice, any sort of fruity beers are going to be perfect. Or if you did want some more savory flavor, you can add some stock. And then next, we're going to add some butter on each of these little pork belly pieces. And then we're going to drizzle over a couple of tablespoons worth of honey. And then around 1/4 cup of brown sugar we're going to sprinkle over. Then we will cover the tray in foil. Then we'll close our lid and we'll give them around an hour before we come back and check on them. All right, so we've been wrapped up for just over an hour. Let's lift this foil up and we'll have a probe around. Oh, it's feeling very soft. Right around 95-ish in that big one there. It's feeling nice and soft as well. All right, they are feeling good actually. So quite a quick cook. This has only been 3 hours so far. And now what we're going to do is just get these onto a cake rack. We'll sit the cake rack over the tray. We're just going to spread these apart a little bit. We don't want them touching because we're about to sauce them. So you can go ahead, get your favorite sauce or glaze ready. We're going to be using my Hookshot whiskey and jalapeno barbecue sauce. And we're just going to pour that straight over each pork belly piece. And then we're going to close our lid and let that sauce set for around 10 minutes. All right, and after 10 minutes, you can give them another sauce if you want. But I'm happy with that. That is just super tender. So I'm going to let this piece cool down for a sec, and then we'll have a taste. So tender, so much flavour, such a good balance of savoury and sweet. Well, there you have it. There's how to make pork belly burn tens. I also love doing them Asian style, so if you've tried them before and you're looking to do something different, definitely give Asian style pork belly burn tens a go. A really quick cook, that was only 3 hours, and you can honestly cut them to any sort of size you want. So if you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask them in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, but for now, I'm going to go enjoy the rest of those. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.